install these amazing window systems. First step, remove the support bracing. Like so. Slides out super simple and set it aside. The next step is to remove the sill covers. Now these stay until the windows or the sashes are installed to prevent any damage from the tracks. Come in, simply pull them out and remove the one. And then you're going to remove the top sill cover, like so. The next step is to install the exterior sash. Grab this, goes inside, lift up, and then gently set down. Now before doing this, you want to make sure that any debris is removed from the tracks to prevent any damage. So the next step is to install the screen. First you want to make sure that the exterior sash is pushed all the way over. Then we're going to slide the screen all the way in. And then we're going to want to open the exterior sash just a little bit so we can access the top tab. Drop it in. Hold on to the tabs, pull down slightly, and then it's all the way in. And then slide them back over. Alright, the final step is to install the interior sash. So we're going to lift this guy up, gently get it in track, lift up, and gently set down. And now you're all the way in, and they can move in and out. And then lock it up.